Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. In one of my previous videos, we already saw details on various platforms which DRDO were looking for their airborne early warning and control system. And then finally they decided to go with old aircrafts from Air India. I have provided the link for that video in the top right I button and also in the details section of this particular video for your quick reference. The platforms which were looked upon were Airbus A330, Embraer's ERJ145XR, and Airbus C295. Even though there was certain confirmation on the plan to acquire 6 Airbus A330, but even that got scrapped post the decision to go for old aircrafts from Air India. In this video, we would discuss more about the scale model of the Airbus A320 based airborne early warning and control systems, which would be showcased during Aero India 2021. Based on previous assumptions, the new airborne early warning and control system was supposed to be based on the rotodome configuration, but looking at the model, it is evident that it is of the same side-looking slab arrays as seen earlier in the Netra airborne early warning and control system. Even though the Netra airborne early warning and control system will have the side-looking slab arrays, which is going to be mounted on the fuselage in an active antenna array unit, it would be able to provide more coverage, eliminating the blind spot, which most of the similar airborne early warning and control system has. And this is indeed a good news. According to some sources, it looks like there might be a change in the AESA radar, which is being fitted to the nose of the aircraft. It is said that these side-looking slab arrays, along with the new AESA radar, would provide coverage up to 300 degrees, but nothing is confirmed as of now. According to the plan, DRDO will acquire 6 Airbus A320, which is operated by Air India, and integrate them with the indigenously developed AESA radar, sensors, and mission systems. All these changes will be done after making necessary airframe modifications. The airframe modification of the aircraft will be carried out at Airbus facilities in France as per the Indian Air Force and DRDO specifications. If you see the Indian Air Force fleet, there are already 3 Soviet Union's Ilyushin IL-76 based Falcon radar systems in service, and we already discussed the same in one of my previous videos. Apart from having the 3 of them in service, there are 2 more orders pending for the same ELW2090 AEWC radar systems, which would be mounted on the same Ilyushin IL-76 platform. In addition to the 3 Falcon systems, Indian Air Force also operates 2 Netra warning and control system, which is developed indigenously by DRDO. And these Netra systems are based on the Brazilian Embraer ERJ145 business jet platform. So let us hope these A320 based airborne early warning and control systems come into action at the earliest, so that India has more eyes in the sky. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.